Where are we? Nasaan tayo? Ano to? What is this place? Are you excited? Anong in order? No. Hamburger. Plant-based stuff. 4 cheese. Done.
Wow, gusto yung onion.
Sarap.
Pupusok.
2 hands. 2 hands.
So that was our first Burger King as a family.
Yes.
How was it, Mommy?
It's pretty good. I really like my burger. The spicy chicken burger. Diba?
Yeah.
It's really juicy. The sauce is really good. Love the spice. And yeah, I just miss the onion rings from A&W back in it's the best talaga. But this one is really good.
Yeah.
Morgan had fun.
Sarap ba, baby burger? Wow, very good. Okay?
Approve.
Okay, I'd order yours next time. Okay, let's go to
ordered Whopper Jr. by the way.
Whopper Jr. Ubos.
Yes, even the onion.
Even the onions. Oh, let's go to Vermosa.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Si Ate Oli. Si
Let's
Kuya
go.
Juan.
Para sa akin.
Ayun.
Thank you. Alin ba? 16 Pro?
Pepper. Check natin. Rice. 16 plus. Ilang gig?
Ito,
Parang manipis to.
Oh.
Huh? What?
Ilang gig sa 256?
What?
Ano ko ba yung ano?
Parang kay Yo-Yo.
Hindi, 256 po siya.
Naiyak na siya. Don't cry.
Paano siya, mom?
Ako naiyak
Giging
talaga ako.
64.99 siya 12 months.
Ate, bilhin mo lang 3210.
Mag-iPhone ka na.
Bakit ka naiiyak? iPhone 16 yan, bro.
Wow. Yes.
Oh, say thank you to me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Regalo ko yan.
Aww. How are you feeling right now?
Good.
Are you ready to have an iPhone?
Yes, for the first time.
For the first time, yes.
First time. Ang ginagamit ko lagi itong
Yeah.
phone ko.
You've always been...
Ito na ata yung naka 2 years na ata to. years.
You've always been a Samsung fan, right? Are you happy?
I'm both a Samsung fan and an Apple fan.
Apple fan. Ate, hindi daw sapat yung iPhone.
Oh,
Dapat na may watch.
ano ba?
Ang cute ah. Zikoy! Bagay kay Zik.
Ikaw, Ate Oli, may bibiling ka ba?
Easter eggs.
Easter eggs.
Ito, Margan.
Ito. Ito.
Wow!
I love the egg. Ilan ba to? 1,
6 plus. 16 plus.
What do you want, baby?
I want to play.
You want to play?
Yes.
Hot pa outside eh.
Hot.
What's hot pa?
Sorrow cloud.
Pag wala ng sun.
Ito na lang.
Gusto mo yan, baby?
I want to play.
Ay, gusto mo to. May drawing.
Art set.
Ito na lang. May mga colors to eh. Ito kasi dami mo na sketchpad.
Oo, sa sketchpad na lang, anak, ha? Ano yung collection ng colors, mami?
Oo, ito sa.
You want eggs? Yes. Ate Lilia, gusto din niya Morgan ng eggs. Morgan, find eggs. Gusto din ni Morgan ng eggs.
Mickey! Huwag mo yan.
Paano yung pot?
Morgan! Morgan! Dito! Yes, you can put water in here.
Oo, para pag maglalakad mapag-zip mo. Asan yung anak kong maliit?
Ayan.
Asan?
Suplada moves.
Ay, sising!
Dito?
Si Mike. Release ko yung gagawin. Si Mike. Dapat tumatakbo ka. Tapos takbo ulit pa banda rito para may effect. Release. Hindi ka kailangan kaliwag yung masyado. Baka...
Yeah, go in there, go in there.
Go there. Lakas hangin. No more na? Ay, sama nyo si Dad Boy. Dali, sama nyo si Dad Boy. Sama, po niya.
Bilis. Get mo si Dad Boy. Hakot kamay ni Dad. Bilis na si Dad Boy.
Dali, pasok. Lalamig din siya eh. Uy.
Baka dito nakatira yun sa Robinson.
Sa Robinson.
Hindi mo yung kamay. Tama na, Morgan.
Tama na. Nakuha kami nga.
Sa exhaust. Aircon yata or exhaust? Exhaust na CR.
Wait, last one for me.
Exhaust.
Hurricane Milton Dilay.
Oh, Titanic.
Push me away. Pinapush ako.
Sige,
Abot, daddy.
Ah, bubuhat ka?
Hindi na kasi ka na.
Pauwi na tayo. Pupunta na kay Chandler. Umisa ka pa! Say hi!